Aiden is getting ready to brush his teeth. And he's ready to do it right now himself. Yes, Aiden, but let me help you first. So there are these wonderful baby's toothbrushes that we really recommend that you can put on your finger, and they're extremely useful to brush all the hidden corners of the baby's mouth. Yes? Yeah, like this, Aiden. Show me how you brush your teeth. How you brushing? Okay. Aiden is ready to brush. We're gonna brush Aiden's teeth. So we are taking this lovely toothbrush that you can put on your index finger, and then we take baby's toothpaste. Make sure the toothpaste is for your baby's age, and from the age of 6 months up to 1 year, this is very useful toothbrush for the baby. So we need some water, and here we go. Aiden is very happy to brush his teeth. He's doing it happily. He's opening his mouth. We are brushing upper, down teeth. And you can even brush a tongue. See how it is useful? How he's happy? Yes? And we can brush the teeth and coming teeth down deep in the mouth. And it's very easy to use and very easy to wash as well. So after using, we just rinse it, dry it, and we put it back in a special container. So it's important, of course, to wash baby hands before each meal, because they crawl and pick up all the dust and dirt from the floor. So washing baby's little hands is an essential part of the daily life. Make sure the soap that you use comes in a nice and colorful, attractive package, something like this or this, so the baby will be happy and excited. Let's now wash his little hands. Yes, Aiden? Aiden also is using the soap of his siblings, which comes as a travel version in this special package. Now we will wash our little naughty hands. Let's wash our hands. Wash your 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 hands right now. Look how it's important to wash hands to get rid of all these germs. Oh, normally he is very happy to wash his hands. Okay. Now we're not very happy, but what can we do? Yeah? Yes, Aiden is washing his hands. Also, it's helpful to make the soap foam down in the sink. So he will be happily soaking his little hands, and we can wash them in this way. Otherwise, they're happy to play bubbles and see the bubbles and play with them. So washing hands at this age, it's easy and fun. Yes, Aiden, what we are doing? Making bubbles also. Let me try also to make a bubble for you. Bubble, make a bubble. So we are finishing our hand wash for today, and we do it every time before the meal. And of course, brushing teeth comes twice a day, in the morning and evening, before and after bed. Aiden demonstrating how he's brushing his teeth. How you brushing your teeth, Aiden? Show us. How do you do that? Aiden is soaking his little toothbrush and putting it, with water. Yes, how Aiden is brushing his teeth. Like this, he's brushing very energetically. So brushing teeth and washing hands at this age, it can be a lot of fun, and it can be easy to train the baby to do this type of things. Yeah, what you doing? You're washing your hands? It's a good idea to introduce baby to washing hands the way he likes and the way it's convenient for him. Like bidet, yeah? Show us how you're washing your hands. Please make sure your bidet is properly disinfected, or it's not used for its prime purpose, like in our house. Yeah, bravo, Aiden, bravo. No, not to eat. Wash your hands, yeah? Yay! So such unusual way of washing hands can be not only a lot of fun, it makes a habit, it makes a routine. So later on they just know how to wash their hands without any reminders. And now you can watch your baby washing his hands, playing with soap, making bubbles, and making some messy play in the bidet. So you can just stay and watch the baby, it's absolutely safe, and it's very exciting for them. Not eating. You can make also tiny baby soaps in forms of little fish or animals. So kids have a lot of interest to play with these little things. We have some small moons, and we have little penguins and whales. Very, very cute. And such little funny penguin. So even such introduction to toothpaste, introduction to the toothbrush is very important, because the baby will know these objects and he will not object later on when it comes to brushing teeth or washing hands. Aiden is enjoying playing with his toothpaste, soaps, toothbrushes. He's really into it. Aiden, you enjoy playing with soaps? Here he is. Here's this little boy playing with the toothpaste. Already he knows how to brush his teeth. Aiden, how you brush your teeth? Yeah, he knows how to brush his teeth, and he really doesn't mind. He can do it a few times a day. So it's really fun to see how he's excited and curious. Now he's trying to squeeze out the toothpaste. Let's put toothpaste on your toothbrush. Brush, 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 brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Yay! Now, as for potty training. The best stage for potty training, believe it or not, below 1. Below 1, when the baby is just learning and knows how to sit and play in a sitting position, this is the best time to introduce your baby to a potty. Why? Because it becomes a habit. Every time before and after you change the baby, try to introduce the baby to the potty. If the baby by accident makes his first pee or caca in the potty, you have to praise the baby, appreciate his work, and be very excited about it. So it creates desire to continue and to succeed. So those babies who've been trained to the potty in this age, they start using the potty between 12 to 18 months easily and effortlessly. So just between the changes, between you change the diapers, every time make your baby sit on the potty. You can do it a couple of times a day if you're too busy, but make sure you start doing it once your baby is 6 months of age. Aiden, let's try to sit on the potty. To encourage and stimulate potty training, you can put some cars, some toys around the potty, so baby can sit and have fun. So what we will try to do now, we are trying to remove the diaper and put Aiden on the potty. Let's try to use our potty with a little car. Here's your car, Aiden. Here's your car. Look. So Aiden is happy with the potty, and he wants to check his little car. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, brum, brum. Yeah, so if you have toys around him or her, it's more fun. You can put whatever is handy. Some shampoos, soaps, and some bath things, whatever you have handy. Of course, better to have the toys around, so he will be playing and doing his thing. Yay, bravo! Brum, 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 brum. So Aiden, let's give you some bath toys. Yeah, you can even read to your baby when he's using a potty, why not? We can use soft books, we can use regular books. No, you make pee inside the potty, okay? Okay, here. Quack, 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 quack. So normally kids don't mind using the potty, and they start sitting, learning, and they get used to it by the age of 1. Now Aiden is 1, and he is using the potty successfully. Of course, we still use a diaper at night time when the baby is sleeping and you don't want to distract his night sleep. Otherwise, during the daytime, we are using the potty. Sometimes successfully, sometimes not, but it's a great training so that you will not stay wearing the diaper at the later age. Great job, Aiden. You did it. Yay! Bring, 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 bring. Bring, bring. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. So we wish you good luck with the potty training. We wish you all the best.